What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart, but this is a different Copart. We're in a place called Dyer, Indiana. That's right, we just flew in from Chicago to pick up a cool toy for the channel. We got Monkey Wrench Mike here, but he is way down there doing his own thing. So go check him out. He's got his own videos coming out from some of the cars out here. We're gonna start today with number one on my list. How about it, guys? A 2017 Audi A7. This isn't a 17, it's a 2013. I was sitting here looking at it going, that's not a 7. 2013 Audi A7, guys. Supercharged, 3-liter, beautiful, beautiful car, but it's got a problem. Now, it's supposedly a run and drive. Don't mind all this over here, okay? This is just the stuff that they put over the windows to keep the car from getting all wet. Apparently that window was down. There was a time that this car did not have keys, and now it does. So this is supposed to be a run and drive. If they had to buy it now on this, I would probably jump on this in a heartbeat. Guys, you know how long I have wanted one of these A7s, and here's one right here. Now, it's got some bullet holes in it, and it's got a flat tire as well. I kind of like those wheels. I'm sure it's one of those things that's an acquired taste. Some of you probably love them, some of you probably hate them. I like them. Those are some pretty massive bullet holes there, guys. Yeah, and it's got another one in the front. 167,000? No way. 16,000? I don't know. I don't know. Here's the other bullet hole right there. Hopefully it didn't do any serious damage. That tire is flat too. Yeah, she hit a curb or something. Let's take a look at the interior. These cars are so beautiful. I absolutely love them. Hopefully there's no biohazard stuff in here. Doesn't look like it. Oh, let's lift that up. It's fairly dirty. There's a lot of tobacco and stuff all over the floor. Maybe this was a theft. I don't know. Hopefully the bullets, and those went all the way through into the trunk. Hopefully it didn't damage any important computer components or anything like that. Doesn't look like it's got any power. She's a beautiful car, though. Look at that. Look at that stitching and tell me that's not gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. S-line. We'll double check, see if she's got power. Where's the start button? Right here? No, dead as doornail. That's fine. That's fine because I got a booster pack with me. We'll fire this thing right up and see how she runs and see what errors she has. Oh man, I love this car. I do. The engine is so clean. Everything under here looks really, really good. Really good. That's positive, and that would be negative. Let's put a jump on it real quick, guys. Let's see what she does. All right, we got the booster pack on. Let's see what she does. She's got juice now. Oh, wow. Are the miles really 16,720? They are. Key is not recognized. Hold back of key against marked area. Ah, okay. This is one of those you gotta use your knee. Okay. It was complaining about oil and then it stopped. So it's not complaining about oil anymore. Oh, she runs good. She runs really, really good. A technical error occurred with the antenna. Yeah, it's probably been shot up. That's my guess. Popped the trunk. Let's take a peek back here and see what's going on. Oh, it's got a spare tire. That's supposed to open on its own, I think, and that didn't work. Spare tire, it's got air in it, so you could at least change the tire and put one good one on it. Oh man, those bullet holes, man, it makes me wonder if it came through here and hit any of this. There's lots of bottles in here. That's weird. Lots of little bottles in there. It's kind of bizarre. Okay, let's see if she'll close on her own. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. An Audi next to an Audi. Look at that. Oh, I want it. I want this so bad. Listen to her purr. Alternator's charging nicely. It's a beast, man. It's a beast. These things are so easy to mod and get big horsepower out of. It's crazy. It is crazy. I'm not gonna close that door. I'm just gonna get this booster pack out of the rain here. Set it over here where it's a little bit safer. Let's get back in it. Let's put it in gear. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a little tight in here. I have to scoot that seat back some. There we go. There we go. That window go up? Yes, it does. All right, let's give her a little rev. Turn on the lights. All right. Oh, she sounds really healthy. Backup camera works. Oh yeah, forwards. Backwards, no issue. No issue. You got the heads-up display right there. I know it's on flat, but I mean, the steering feels good. Brakes feel good. Transmission seems good. 16,720 miles. That just blows my mind. That blows my mind. It's got me thinking, am I wrong? Could this be a 2017? I thought this was a 13, but there's no way. There's no way it's only got that many miles on it. Let's take a look. It is. It's a 2017, March of 2017. That makes a little more sense. That makes a little more sense. What do you guys think? It goes up for auction here really, really soon. This is one I'll keep on my list. It is. I think this could be driven home. Look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. And all these cars, these are all getting filmed. They pulled them all up for us, like front and center. We got front row seats. How cool is that of them to do that for us? All right, guys, let's get done with this Audi and let's move on to that one. This one I'm trying to convince Monkey Wrench Mike to buy. It's only $1,400. Buy it now. It's an Audi TT. I don't remember what year it is. Let's take a look here. It's an 04 TT. It's an automatic. I think it's a 4-cylinder or 5-cylinder. I can't remember. It's a 5-valve turbo. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. The car itself looks really good. It's got power too. This is not a bad looking car for $1,400. Clean title. 163,000 miles on the odometer. Let's try to be very careful not to damage the van over here. I don't want to ding that. Oh, ow. Oh, I hit my head. Okay, here we go. She's got juice. Oh. Well, she also has no gas. That's something to be aware of. There is no gas at all in this thing. Oh, man. That steering wheel is... She's running great now, though. Look. She sounds good. Brakes are solid. Goes backwards. Goes forwards. Got an aftermarket Kenwood deck in there. This is nice. That beeping is annoying, and those seagulls out there going crazy is annoying as well. All right. Let's take a peek, shall we? Let's see what she's working with here. She sounds good. Tires? Tires look good. $1,400. Wow. This is the deal right here. That tire's a little worn, but it's still usable. 3 really good tires, 1 usable tire. I'm assuming it's just a little 4-cylinder. That's I don't know anything about these cars, guys. Forgive me. You guys can blast me in the comment section down below for not knowing, but Take a listen to her. She sounds healthy. She's full of coolant. Okay. I still don't know what size this engine is. I'll let you guys tell me down below. If it was me, I prefer one of these with the 6-cylinder and a manual transmission. That's just me, though. That's just me. There we go. The displacement is 1781 cc's. So, what is that, like 1.8 liter? 1.8 liter turbo 4. Yeah, 1.8 liter tells me everything I need to know. What do you think? Yeah, I like it, guys. I do. This is a clean little car. She runs well. Let's put it in gear and make sure she... Oh, we already did that. We already did forward and back up. Check engine lights on. We'll put it in gear again, though. Windshield wiper. There we go. And she started up on her own, too. Forward, no issue. Oil sensor. That's fine. 42 degrees. Nice and cold. Hey, look at this. Shiny. Fancy. Turn that off, right? Yeah. Drift mode activated. I don't know where the window roll down thing is on this. Heated seats. Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I don't know how you roll this down. I would have thought it'd been like right here or something, or up there. Nope. Well, it doesn't matter. It's not important. Ashtray. Are you serious? Great. All I did was open the damn thing. Well, come on. Come on. Okay. I swear, all I did was open it. All I did was open it. Okay. This thing runs good. Thankfully, that light went out, so it's not going to kill the battery. It looks like somebody was changing the oil as well. You can see right there. This car wash sticker on it, too. It's a little short for me. I hit my head every time I try to get in and out of it. But overall, this is a nice little car, guys. You know, you can't tell everything you need to about it. Like, does the transmission work? I don't know. Is it going to overheat? Who knows? Timing belt going to break? It might. But for $1,400, it's a clean little car that runs and drives. What more do you want, man? It's hard to find any car today that runs and drives for $1,400. Moving on. Last on my list, guys, a 1990 Chevy van, a G20. This one is a little rough, but I do love this van. I really do. It took a little bump in the front over here. Show you that right now, okay? Fender took a little crunch. Nothing that would prevent you from being able to use it or drive it. Just replace the fender. The tires aren't great. The body's pretty rough. It's got a fancy light bar down there. Look at that sucker. Oh yeah, really nice light bar. Fancy LED headlights that are probably illegal. She's rough, and it says bio mold, so there's that. Let's take a look around and see what she looks like. I don't know what engine it's got in it, 5.0 or 5.7. Big old van though, big old van. And I saw from the pictures when you open this door, things start getting a little rough. Uh-oh. Well, can open that door. Oh, is that poop? There's poop in here. That's great. Okay, Mike's having a good time. There's literally a bag of poop and toilet paper in here. I think that's human. Okay. Well, in all fairness, it said bio. You know, it warned you. Okay, I don't know how to get back there. I don't even know that I want to. This is gross. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is pretty This is pretty nasty, guys. This is pretty nasty, and it's starting to pour on us as well. Let's put the key in it, and let's start with, does it start? No, it doesn't do anything. Okay. Oh, it's raining in the back. Take a look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. I think somebody was definitely living in here, and it's raining through the roof. Yeah. Okay. This is gross. This is really gross. Where is the hood release? I have to. I need to know if it's going to try to run. Great. It's raining cats and dogs now. This is wonderful. This is just what we wanted here. Yeah. Let me put this hood up, and then I think I'm going to go stand over there for a minute and wait for this rain to lighten up some. All right, guys, we're gonna try to fire up this this old beast here. The rain is just relentless right now, man. It figures, we were told that up here, we're almost by Chicago. Dyer, Indiana is not far from Chicago. And we were told by everybody that we've talked to today that if we had come yesterday, it was 70 degrees. If we had come the day before, it was 70 degrees. But today, it's 40 degrees. And it's raining. It is wet. It is nasty. Okay. All right. I'm about to say to hell with this thing. All right. I think I've got it set up in a way that nothing's going to fall. Let's see. Will she run? No. No. Great. Only 90,000 miles. Like, that is literally nothing for one of these. It's got juice going through it. She just doesn't seem to be having it. Let's try it one more time. If it doesn't start this time, guys, I'm done. I'm getting soaking wet out here. Yeah, okay. All right, that's it. I'm not screwing with it, man. We're done. Well, guys, short, sweet, and to the point on this one, thanks to the rain. There's not much more I can do in this video, but if you enjoyed the content today, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, let me know you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed, and stay tuned, because yeah, we got a Pontiac Firebird, we got an X6, we've got an S600, and a Range Rover coming up in the next video. Don't miss it. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.